My name is Jeremy,
My name is Sarah.
and we taught level 2 at Uptown Swing. What month is this?
Charleston.
That's right, Charleston month. So week 2. So we did a couple of different things. The first thing is some entrances and exits into hand-to-hand and hand-to-hand.
Yep.
So we did this little rock step, kick step. So we do these kickaways, and then we have a rock step, double kick, double kick. And we get out the same way. Just that little rock step, kick step. And then we had a couple of variations in hand-to-hand. And Sarah's going to demonstrate it.
So first we did a down, boom, ba, boom, ya, ba, boom. Then we added some crazy legs. Then we did triple steps.
Then at the end of class, we did a little boogie drop. It looks like this, 5, 6. We'll go a basic first, and we rock away. 1, 2, cross, and down, rock, step, kick, double kick. Y'all did great. It was super fun. We won't see you next week, but bye.